the last dog days of summer here in Alberta. Yeah, what a lovely, lovely day. Been doing a lot of thinking about my online business and enjoying every bit of it. It seems like I wake up in the middle of the night thinking of different things I'd like to be able to share with my special people that are watching these videos. One of the things that really intrigued me about the program that I'm doing is the founder of the program. She said something in one of the modules that I've been going through. She said, it's not about being an influencer when you're online, it's about being a connector, and that really connected with me. I want to be able to connect with people. I don't have to have lots and lots of people to share my message with. I just need the special right people. So I just wanted to share that with you, having taken my nice little walk down to our nearby lake. Talk to you next time.